If you're using an iPad every day and still typing with that tiny on-screen keyboard, listen, you're working way harder than you need to. A proper iPad keyboard can literally turn your tablet into a full laptop replacement. So today, I'm breaking down the best iPad keyboards of 2026. Before you spend anywhere from $50 to $300 on a keyboard case, watch this so you don't pick the wrong one. Let's get into it. Now, if you want the Apple experience without the Apple price, Logitech steps in with the Combo Touch for the iPad Pro 11-inch. And honestly, this thing is almost unfair for the price. You get a backlit keyboard, a built-in kickstand that adjusts to almost any angle, and a detachable keyboard so you can use your iPad like a Surface Pro. The typing feel is great, the trackpad is accurate, and Logitech's smart connector support means you don't have to charge it. It just works instantly. If you want maximum versatility, this is the one to beat. Link below. But maybe you don't want a full case. Maybe you just want a portable keyboard you can throw in your backpack and use anywhere. That's exactly where the Logitech Keys-to-GO 2 fits in. It's super slim, super light, and honestly, one of the most convenient keyboards ever made for iPads. It works with iPhone, Mac, Apple TV, everything. And the built-in cover protects it in your bag so it doesn't get junk stuck in the keys. Pairing takes seconds, the battery lasts forever, and if you type on the go, this thing is a lifesaver. Check the description. And if you're on a tighter budget but still want a keyboard case that feels premium, ESR makes one of the best value options for the 10th gen iPad. Their keyboard case gives you a sturdy stand, a comfortable typing layout, strong magnets, and a clean look that doesn't feel cheap at all. The keys have good travel, the case is lightweight, and the whole experience feels way more expensive than it is. If you're not into spending Apple-level money, this is a great pick. Link is below if you want to check it out. Apple's Magic Keyboard for the iPad Air. And honestly, if you've ever wanted your iPad to feel like a MacBook, this is the closest you're going to get. The keys feel premium, the trackpad is smooth and accurate, and the whole floating cantilever design makes your iPad look like a futuristic laptop. It attaches magnetically, gives you solid viewing angles, and even has a USB-C pass-through on the hinge so you don't lose your main port. The only downside? The price. But if you're someone who types a lot, emails, schoolwork, reports, this thing pays for itself. Check the description for the link. But maybe you want something lighter and more flexible. That's where Apple's Magic Keyboard Folio comes in. This one is more casual, more portable, and way friendlier if you remove your keyboard often. The keyboard detaches completely, the back stand magnetically snaps in place, and the built-in trackpad is surprisingly good for such a thin accessory. It feels less laptop-like than the Magic Keyboard, but in a good way. It's easier to throw in a bag and perfect for people who switch between typing and drawing on their iPad. Link is in the description for this one too. If you found this roundup helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. And remember, all the keyboards mentioned today are linked in the description with the latest pricing on Amazon. Which keyboard are you going for? Let me know in the comments.